Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kovid from Kovid YouTube channel, and today we're going to head over to just opposite of the previous one. So in the previous video we did do a program to check if the number is even or not. So in this exercise we are going to do a code or exercise which check if the number is odd or not. So guys, it's kind of simple and you have to try it once. If you want to go and check and do with code with me in real time, the link is given in the description down below. You can go there and just code with me. Okay, so do yourself, and first of all read all these statements. First one says write a function to check if the number is odd or not, and second one says write your function here. That means we have to write it here. And third one says write the function named as is odd and pass an argument to check if the number is odd or not. And here it says that remove the comment marked down below in the below line. Okay, so you have to remove it and check whether your answer is correct or not. So guys, if you haven't seen previous exercise, go over to my Kovid YouTube channel and do subscribe and see the video. Okay, so do it by pausing your video right now. So guys, hope you have completed project and you got your code is correct, but don't worry if you don't get that. I am here to help you. So let's code it, this freaky thing. So it says define a function that is def named as is odd. Okay, and it says and pass an argument. So let's pass an argument of num and to check if the number is odd or not. In the previous video we did the exactly opposite. That means logic behind it is that one is check if num is odd. That means when we divide the num by 2, the remainder will be 1. So Python makes it simple as we did in the previous exercise mode. Num mod 2 equals 1. We have to print out return true, and else we have to return false. Okay, so let's code right here. So if num mod 2 equals 1, we have to return true. That means we have to return true here, and else if the num mod 2 equals 1, then we have to print out false. So return false. So let's check our code, guys, and it says that you can see here your code is correct. That means our code is going well, and if you did it right, then congratulations guys, you have passed this exercise. If you didn't do it, then understand the logic behind this. Okay, so understand it and code it in your own, and just practice more and more, which you can't do. Just practice. You will be obviously confident and get a chance to win other projects. So thank you guys this much for today. I'll meet you in next exercise.